Think we should do today?
I don't know.
Yeah, me neither. Maybe we should go get our PJ soon.
Yeah.
I don't want to. Hey Julie, can you get down the stairs first?
Sure. So you can get out of the way.
Okay, Felicity, come down now. Julie, what was that?
I don't know.
Just gonna get down this way. Do you see what I see, Julie? What is that? Ow! Run, Julie! Run! The little one's gone, but look at this big one. Run! 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 Ah! Oh, I don't want to choke her. Okay. Run! Penny! Come on!
Come on, Pep.
Run! Penny! Get up! Wake up! Nay! Hop on! Penny! No! I'm not sure what I see. What is that?